Okay, next we look into globalization challenges and opportunities. So we have five items in this part. Okay, the first one, okay, drastic reduction of cost of operating and transacting on a global scale. Okay, competition for jobs, market, resources, and ideas. Of course, when you want to globalize for your product, for example, you must have the idea must be expand. Okay, and then you must know where you want to get the resources. Okay, the third one, information systems enable globalization of commerce. Okay, number four, require new understanding of skills, market, and opportunities. And the last one, growing interdependence of global economics. Okay, next we look into what is digital firm. Okay, we know the firm is something that we have like the physical, we have the physical building. So when we talk about digital firm, so what we meant by that? Okay, digital firm is an organizations that have enabled core business relationship with employees, customer, supplier, and other external partners through digital network. Okay, it seems like the physical firm, just they use the digital network. So in a digital firm, they have the significant business relationships digitally enabled and mediated. The core business process are accomplished through digital network. The key corporate assets are managed digitally and offer greater flexibility in organization and management. So when we meant as the flexibility, meaning that they have the time shifting and space shifting. Time shifting meaning that they operate continuously. Okay, and space shifting, they can operate globalized. All right. Okay, so we have 6 strategic business objectives. The first one we have, okay, let me look into here. Okay, so the first one we have operational excellence. The second one we have new product services and business model. The third one we have customer and supplier intimacy. Number 4 we have improved decision making. Number 5 we have competitive advantage, and the last one we have survival. Okay, so the next slide, okay, we go into details about this business objective. So these are the business strategic objective and business process. So this is within the business firm. When we apply the information system, so it relates with the software, the hardware, the data management, and telecommunication. So they have worked together to become the digital firm. So we look into the first objective, operational excellence. Okay, operational excellence meaning that we improvise the efficiency to attain the higher profitability. So you must aim higher. Okay, aim higher how to make high profit. Okay, and then information systems, technology become the important tool in achieving the greater efficiency and productivity. For example, we have Walmart. Okay, you can search what is Walmart. Okay, Walmart retail link system. So this system will link the supplier to store for superior replenishment system. So they will organize the supplier who involved with the organization. So how they organize, how they manage the supplier who supply all the products into their organization. Okay, number 2, we have new products, services, and business model. So what is business model? It is to describe how company produce, delivers, and sells product or service to create wealth. Okay, when we talk about organization and when we talk about business, of course, we must talk about wealth, we must talk about profit. So the information system and technology as a major enable tool for new product, service, business, and model. So they have to come up with an idea to produce to make sure that they cannot lose the lose the customer. They have the trust from their customer, from their partnership. Okay, for example, we have like Google. We can see that Google become bigger and bigger. Everything is about Google. If you want to search something, you use Google. If you want to search for the location, you use the Google map. If you want to look into the traffic jam, you will search by using Google map. If you want to search for the video, you use YouTube. So this is what Google see about the what are the information system that can make the organization become larger. Okay, same goes to Apple. Okay, Apple, we have many type of iPad, and then nevertheless, that we can see about the iPhone. So they must have the R&D to make sure that they will come up with the idea for their new products, the new services, and the business model. Okay, number 3 is about customer and supplier intimacy. Okay, so you need to serve your customer well leads to customer returning. So you must have the loyalty into your customer, which raise the revenue and profit. You must make sure that you have the customer loyalty. For example, like Apple, they have the customer loyalty to make sure that their customer will enjoy to use their product. So if you change from the iPhone 13 and 14, I can I don't know, maybe some of you already waiting for the iPhone 14, and then you're already changed from the iPhone 13 to iPhone 14, so you have the loyalty. This is what we call as a customer intimacy. And the intimacy with the supplier also is very important, because allows them to provide vital input which lower cost. Okay, so we want to make sure that we can get the product, the quality product, okay, at the enough time. Okay, number 4 is about improved decision making. See, improved decision making, if okay, let's say if without accurate information, what happened? Okay, so managers must use forecast, best guesses, luck. Okay, best of luck lah. Okay, so what will happen? Okay, so if the managers use best guesses, so maybe they will produce the product over production, under production, not enough product, more than whatever the demand. Okay, and then misallocation of resources. They have enough resources, but they didn't use the resources good enough. Okay, and then poor response time. Okay, and also, okay, if if they don't have the accurate information, they can have the poor outcomes, raise costs, and lose the customer. Then, how you want to improvise decision making? They come up with a web-based digital dashboard to provide managers with real-time data. If the manager want to make a decision making, make a decision, so what happened? They can search. Okay, these are the data involved with the product. Okay, so next month, how we want to produce, okay, how many products. Okay, so this is they need to understand. And then if the customer complain, they can have the real time. Okay, and then network performance, line outages, and so on, to make sure that the products can produce, okay, according to the demand, and whatever according to the market demand, and fulfill the customer need. Okay, number 5 is about competitive advantage. Okay, competitive advantage, okay, will deliver the better performance, charging less for superior products, and respond to customer and supplier in real time, to make sure that they can, whatever the customer need, the supplier need, or the partnership need, they try to solve, okay, the problem. Okay, and the last one is the survival. So IT as necessity of business. So when industry level changes, so when you apply the information technology in the organization, of course the industry level will change, and you need to fulfill the governmental regulations requiring record keeping. So you must follow all the regulations provided, okay, by the government sector. Okay, so we stop until here for part 2 video. So later I will continue with the data and information.